Hello and welcome everyone. If you're passionate about modern SUVs and want to know what makes the Nissan Qashqai such a popular choice in the UK, the USA, and across the globe, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know, from design and comfort to performance and technology, so stay tuned till the very end. Main script. When it comes to modern family SUVs, one name stands out strongly, the Nissan Qashqai. Since its introduction, the Qashqai has been nothing short of a trendsetter, redefining what a crossover should be. And with the latest generation, Nissan has taken this success to an even higher level. On the outside, the Qashqai delivers a striking first impression. The bold V-motion grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted body lines all come together to create a premium look that feels confident yet practical. It's an SUV that manages to be both sporty and elegant, making it ideal for drivers who want style without sacrificing everyday usability. Step inside, and the quality is immediately clear. Nissan has paid close attention to detail with high-grade materials, ergonomic design, and advanced features. The interior is more spacious than ever, giving families the comfort they need for long trips while still feeling compact enough for city life. A panoramic glass roof adds openness and natural light, while the flexible boot space provides plenty of practicality for luggage, shopping, or weekend getaways. Technology has always been one of the Qashqai's strong points, and the latest model continues that tradition. A fully digital driver's display, a responsive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an impressive 360-degree camera system all make the driving experience seamless. For safety, Nissan's ProPilot system integrates adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and emergency braking, features that make your journey not only safer but also less stressful. Under the bonnet, the Qashqai offers a choice of efficient engines. The mild hybrid petrol option provides smooth performance while keeping fuel economy in check, perfect for daily commuting or longer motorway drives. For those looking for innovation, Nissan has also introduced its e-Power system. This unique hybrid setup gives you the feel of electric driving, instant torque and smooth acceleration, without the need to plug in. It's a smart solution for drivers who want the benefits of electric power but still rely on petrol convenience. On the road, the Qashqai continues to impress. It's agile, responsive, and comfortable, qualities that make it stand out in its segment. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or enjoying a relaxed motorway cruise, the Qashqai adapts effortlessly to your needs. Suspension has been tuned specifically for European roads, offering a refined balance of comfort and control. But what really makes the Qashqai special is its ability to deliver on multiple fronts. It's stylish, practical, family-friendly, and packed with technology, all while being efficient and enjoyable to drive. For many families and professionals, it's not just a car, it's a reliable companion for daily life. Closing. So, if you're in the market for a modern SUV that blends design, innovation, and everyday practicality, the Nissan Qashqai deserves a spot at the very top of your list. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a smart investment in comfort, safety, and driving enjoyment.